ground. If planting in a field, you can bury them directly into the soil. If you prefer growing in containers, continue to nurture them for a stronger start. But no more zip-top bags needed. A simple plastic food container works well. Drill some small holes in the bottom for drainage and airflow. Fill it with cocoa coir as a growing medium. Then, place the rooted chayote on the surface of the cocoa coir. Wait for it to grow. About a week later, so that's around week 3, the planted chayote starts to sprout soft shoots. The stem is not just tall and straight, but also very vibrant. You can see clear nodes. Each node produces a leaf and a new branch. The leaves on the new shoots are usually opposite each other, with oval or heart-shaped forms, and slightly serrated edges. Looking from outside the container, the root system is also growing steadily. These side roots are relatively thin, but very numerous. They firmly hold onto the cocoa coir. Increasing the side roots helps the chayote improve its ability to absorb nutrients from the growing medium. These growth characteristics indicate the chayote is well established, which means the plant can maintain its form in a container. It's not easily knocked over. Through this video, we've gone over a detailed understanding of how to grow chayote squash. It's not complicated. It just takes some patience. Chayote can be planted during the spring and fall seasons. Fall planting requires a warm climate, like the U.S. Southeast or Southern California. Some areas in the Southwest can also attempt a fall crop. And that's it for today. If you're looking to grow chayote, feel free to try this method. We'll see you next time.